Now come to exercise 1.6. In 1.6, the questions are related to the cardinal number formulas. The first question is x and y are two sets such that nx is equal to 17, ny is 23, n of x union y is 38, find n of x intersection y. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला हमारा यही था. आपके पास तीन वैल्यूज गिवन है, आपको फोर्थ निकालनी है. आप तीनों में अपनी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए. एन ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कीजिए, एन ऑफ वाई की कीजिए, एन ऑफ एक्स यूनियन वाई की कीजिए और आपके पास एन ऑफ एक्स इंटरसेक्शन वाई की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 is if x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. तो उसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? n of x union y is equals to 18. x union y में कितने एलिमेंट्स है? 18. x has 8 elements. n of x is equals to 8. n हम यहाँ पर लगा देंगे. n of x is equals to 8 and n of y is equals to 15 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? Same question. यहाँ पे भी आपको n of x intersection y निकालना है, तो आप फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे n of x union y is equals to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Well substitute कीजिए. It is 18, it is 8, it is 15 and it is x intersection y. It is 18 is equals to 23 minus n of x intersection y. There implies n of x intersection y is equals to 23 minus 18 and it will be 5. So how many elements are in x intersection y? It is 5. Answer. Now come to question number 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. So, सबसे पहले suppose कर लीजिए कि let H be a set of people speak in Hindi. दूसरा set E, set of people speak in English. Now there are total 400 people. So n of H union E is equals to 400. How many people speak Hindi? 250. So what will be n of H? It is 250. How many people can speak English? 200. N of E is 200. What you have to find? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Both means intersection. So you have to find H intersection E. There are two methods, children. Method 1 and method 2. There are two methods you can solve this question. First is n of H is given, n of E is given, n of H union E is given. Simply use the formula. What is the formula? N of H union E is equals to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. Substitute the values. H union E is 400, n of H is 250, n of E is 200 minus n of H intersection E. You can simplify and find the answer. It is the first method. Second method is of Venn diagram method. How can you do by Venn diagram? Make a rectangle. This represents universal set. Make a set of people who speak in Hindi. Another set, the people who speak in English. Now, 250 people speak in Hindi. people speak in English. When we add 250 and 200, we get 450. We get 450, but total number of people are 400. So that means 50 peoples are those peoples who is common. So we can write 50 in the common area, right? How many are in Hindi? It is 200. So in the set of Hindi people, there are 250 peoples, and how many in English? 150. So the common people, they can speak both Hindi and English, will be 50. You can do it by Venn diagram or by formula. Now next question. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does have S union T? How many elements does have S union T? Same students, you can do it by Venn diagram or by formula. I am doing by Venn diagram. Universal, one set is S, one set is T. This area represent S intersection T. How many elements in S intersection T? 11. So we can write here 11. We can write here 11, and N of S is 21. 11 is already here. How many are left? 21 minus 11. It is 10. And T is 32. 11 is here. How many are left? 32 minus 11. It is 21. Right, students? So in S intersection T, it is 11. We write 11. In N of S, there is 21. 11 is already here. We write 10 here. So complete number of elements in S is 21. Here is 11, here is 21. So complete elements in T is 32. So what should be S union T? Number of S union T is equals to 10 plus 11 plus 21. Because this whole S union, this represent S union T. So we can add all the elements. 10 plus 11 plus 21, it will be 42. Answer. Right, children? So there are 6 questions in the exercise. 8 questions exercise. You can try these questions. All questions are same. Right, students? So complete exercise 1.6. After this, we will do exercise miscellaneous exercise 1.7. Thank you.